What's up, mamas? I hope you guys are staying safe. You are probably quarantined right now, and I hope that you are eating healthy as well. There might be some unhealthy food somewhere in your kitchen. Just keep easy on those ones, okay? So what I need you to do, since you have all the time in the world, I need you to start moving your body. How do you do that? Okay, I'll show you. I have 5 workouts today that I will show you to work out your entire body. Okay, you don't need fancy equipment, so you can use what you have at home, and I will show you exactly what kind of things you can use to perform these workouts and feel happy. When you get those happy hormones, you need to move your body, mama. Okay, so let's go and work out with moi. Your body and feel great. Whew, I'm getting warm. Squats to shoulder press, okay? So start with your legs apart, okay? You should be shoulder width apart. Grab your bottles, place them on your shoulder, and we are going to go down in a squat. Make sure that your knees are placed correctly. You're not going to cave in. You're going to stand like that, okay? So when we go down and come up, you need to squeeze your bum. So let's go. 12 of these. Breathe in when you go down. Breathe out when you're up. Of those, you must be feeling it right now. Okay, let's rest for 30 seconds and we go at it again. Okay, let's go again. 12 counts. Okay, don't forget to breathe. Make sure that when you're doing your squats, you're pushing through your heels. Let's go. Good job, mama. Good job. You should be feeling it right now. Woo. Don't underestimate the power of the bottles. Closer, and we are going to perform the exercises passed on the toilet paper. Then you are going to go down in a squat and lower the bottle and up, okay? Down and up. We're going to do this 12 times. Don't forget to breathe and squeeze your bum at the same time, of course. Feel the stretch in the thighs. I do feel it. Squeeze that bum bum. Okay, let's go. Ooh. make sure that you're not caving forward like that. Okay, you should be straight, your back should be straight while we're going down. Oh, I can feel this in my bum and my thigh right now. Oh, let's rest. Oh, you can stretch your thighs and your legs at the same time. This will give you a very good stretch. Very good stretch over here. Ooh, that feels good. Okay, let's go at it again. Right, grab your water bottle, stand with your legs apart, okay? You should be comfortable and your toes should be pointing a little bit outwards, okay? You see my toes? And then we're going to go down in a squat and lower the bottom at the same time. Let's go. 12 counts. Don't forget about your posture, okay? Breathe. Triceps at the same time, okay? So we're going to do 12 rounds of the bicep curls and then we switch to triceps 12 rounds. We're going to do this 2 times. Let's go. Make sure you're contracting your muscles, okay, when you come up. Let's go. And you breathe. Okay, so now I need you to bend. You just bend over and you have to push your dumbbells just behind you. You should be feeling the contraction on your triceps. Let's go. Make sure you're breathing. Okay, 12 of these. Thank you very much. You're gonna feel this. Oh my God, my triceps are contracting right now. Ooh, that was a good one. Let's rest for 30 seconds and then we go at it again. Okay, you are supposed to be breathing while performing these exercises so you get you get oxygen in your body and you're going to get even more strength for performing your exercises. Alright, ladies? So we've just done the first round, we are going for the second round. Let me tell you, I can feel my muscles right now, they are waking up, okay? So let's go. Bicep curls. Don't forget to contract your muscles when you come up. And breathe. Slow movement, mind-muscle connection. Don't mind my face. Do this when it gets tough. I'm feeling my muscles right now. I know that. What about you? Okay, so now it's time for the triceps. This time I'm going to stand like this so you see how it looks like from this side as well. Okay, so here are your dumbbells. You need to place them just beside your titties and you push them behind you. Okay, then you're going to feel the contraction. Let's go. 12 rounds. Oh, good job, ladies. Good job.